Our next problem gives us the same f of x function. F of x equals x cubed minus 4x squared minus 5. And we want to know what is f of negative 2. So what value do we need to put in the box? We need to put a negative 2 in the box, which means we have an x plus 2 if we're thinking about the notation from above. Okay, but practically speaking, we don't have to do anything with that. 1 comes down, negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Negative 2 minus 4 is negative 6 times the negative 2 is 12 plus 0 is 12 times the negative 2 is negative 24, and negative 5 minus 24 is negative 29. So that means f of negative 2 is negative 29. If we want to write it in terms of our notation before, we can write f of x equals x plus 2 times, notice down here, these are the x squareds, x and number terms. So we have 1 x squared minus 6x plus 12, and then we have our remainder minus 29. That way, when x is negative 2, we have negative 2 plus 2 plus some other stuff minus 29, and all of this out front is 0 because of your multiplication. So what that means for us, and what our goal is to find factors. If we can find a factor, what that means is there's no remainder over here. So if x minus c is a factor of f of x, then f of c equals 0. Well, what that means is if x minus c is a factor, then x equals c is a 0, or an x-intercept. And that's our goal, is to find x-intercepts.